All right, I'd like to call the regularly scheduled meeting of the City of Middletown Industrial Development Agency's October 19th meeting to order. Need a roll call, please?
Madden.
Here.
Hawkins.
Here.
Brito.
Here.
Cantoli.
Here.
DeStefano. Absent. Also present, Maria Bruni, Patricia Racine, John Numchuck.
Each of you have been given a copy of the minutes from our last meeting, which was June 15th. Hope you've all had the opportunity to check them over and make sure that we've done them all accurately.
I would make a motion to accept the minutes from June 15th.
Do we have a second?
I'll second that motion.
And all in favor?
Aye.
Aye, thank you. A treasurer's report.
Okay, I put the treasury report on everyone's desk. This is as of the end of August of this year. There's not too many changes. The first page, you can see July and August, we had some interest earnings. The next page is the balance in the accounts. The money market has $111,146.47. The Orange Bank and Trust checking has $8,218.40. The OBT savings has $1,942.17, and the pilot account has $116.63, with a total of $121,423.67. The next pages are the pilots. The pilots went out for the school taxes, but they have not, of course, been cashed in yet, so when they do, I'll put them probably on the next meeting. And then the next page is the detail on what went into the first page. Any questions?
Any questions for John? Well, thank you very much. I need a motion to accept the treasurer's report.
So moved.
And a second.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
All right, very good. Any bills and communications this month?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we have payment for professional services. As you know, we reimbursed the city for Patty's role as secretary to the board in the amount of $3,500 for year 2021. And that's all we have for bills and communications.
We don't do anything with that now.
We need a motion, right? Yeah, we need a motion for that.
All right, we need a motion to pay the City of Middletown for professional services. And a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye, thank you. Any unfinished business from last month?
No.
Any new business this month?
Yes, in your packet, you'll see the sexual harassment training packet, which is due by December 1st. So there's instructions there for the workshop and training videos and then questionnaires. And if you have any questions pertaining to this, you could call Patty or myself as you complete this. And again, it's due by December 1st, 2021.
So after we watch these videos and we complete the questionnaire, we will submit these to Patty?
Correct.
Should we do that at our November meeting? Would that be most appropriate?
If that's possible for people, that'd be fine with me.
That'd be wonderful. Trust that we'll all get that done. Thank you. And just a note for the record, the Finance Committee and the Audit Committee of the Industrial Development Agency is the entire group of all of us. We make up those committees. So our Finance Committee, we need a budget discussion. John, do you have some details about that?
Yes, I handed out the budget. It's the form that says the Paris Public Authorities Reporting Information System. Okay, the last year, first column, 2020, and for 2021 is the next column, and then the next year, 2022, is the one you'll be adopting. That we put, added one another project for $40,500. We had some investment earnings, which gives us a income of $40,600. And then below are the expenditures. Of course, the professional services contracts for the auditing, supplies and materials, $225. And other non-operating expenditures, there was nothing on that. And that adds up to $7,725, which the total is $32,875. And then we also do propose 2023, 24, and 25. as you can see, we added a project on for each one.
Yeah, and also may I, for the
ahead.
charges of service with that project, we, as you see, we get right now currently 9,000 a year. That's 1,500 of per year administrative fee of the projects we already have on the books. So we're proposing for next year 10,500 in administrative fees to manage the projects. And then we, like John mentioned, we added, if we get a potential project, it could be IDA fee, could be more, could be less. But these are projections for the next, as you can see, next 4 years out, that we have to submit to the state by the end of this month.
Any questions about the budget, the estimated 22 budget for John or Maria? All right, then I'm going to need to read a resolution. Whereas the chairman, executive director, and treasurer of the Middletown Industrial Development Agency have approved and submitted an itemized statement in writing of the estimated revenues and expenditures of the Middletown Industrial Development Agency for the fiscal year January 1, 2022 through December 31, 2022, and whereas the estimates are entered in full in the minutes as attached to this resolution, and now, therefore, be it resolved and ordained that the Middletown Industrial Development Agency does hereby approve and adopt the aforesaid annual budget and authorize submission to the New York State Authority Budget Office through the Paris. Sorry?
Yes, through Paris.
The budget is presented as attached. The question of adoption of the foregoing resolution was duly put to a vote and roll call, which resulted as follows. We need somebody to make a motion.
I would make a motion to adopt the 2022 budget.
Thank you, Mr. Hawkins. A second.
A second.
Thank you, Mr. Cantoli. And a roll call?
Brito,
Yes.
Cantoli,
Yes.
Stefano is absent, Madden,
Yes.
Hawkins.
Yes.
Resolution passes.
Okay.
In other new business,
Discussion about our auditors for year ending 2021. As you know, we retain the same auditing services as the city does, and they are engaging with RBT as the auditor for 2021. So we just need an authorization, once we get the engagement letter from RBT, to enter into services for the 2021 audit with RBT.
any questions for Ms. Bruni? All right. Another resolution. We need to authorize an audit by RBT, auditor for the City of Middletown Industrial Development Agency for year ending December 31, 2021. Authorize the administrative director to sign the engagement letter. I need a motion.
So moved.
Thank you, Mr. Brito. A second.
Second.
Thank you, Mr. Cantoli. And a roll?
Brito,
Yes.
Cantoli,
Yes.
Stefano absent, Madden,
Yes.
Hawkins.
Yes.
I believe that concludes our new business.
Yes.
I need a motion for adjournment. Second? Second. All in favor? Aye. Aye, thank you.